All right, folks. Today is March the 29th, 2020. Friday, the market's finished down. Nothing too crazy. Looks like they're getting back to normal swings that we're used to. Today, the futures are open. So far, Dow's down 2.5. S&P is down almost 2. NASDAQ and small caps are down like 1.5%. So Tuesday will be the end of the month. We're waiting to see where the markets finish at the end of Tuesday to determine if we're going to be headed for more downside or if we have a chance to go north for 2 or 3 weeks or maybe a month or so before heading back down. But this is about the range that we like to see the market stay in. These are easier to predict which way it's going to go. Once you see consistent 1 or 2% up or down days, it's easier to figure out where the markets are going to go. When the markets are up 10% one day, you don't want to really take a chance and go long on that. And then it might be up 5% the next day. You definitely don't want to be going long on that, because 15% up in a 2-day period, it's hard to get 15% in a whole year. It's a good chance that's coming down. Same as if the market was down 10% one day and down 5% the next day. You don't want to short the market because it's hard to go down 15% in a year. It's not normal to be down 15% all at one time within a year period of time. So we're going to be patient. I would say 3/4 of professional traders are expecting the market to go down. The market normally does the opposite of what everybody expects it to do. So if all retail traders and 3/4 of professional traders expect the market to go down, it's most likely going to go up for a little bit before coming back down. I know over the last few days, actually the last week, a lot of people have been asking me about individual stocks. I normally don't recommend individual stocks because you really have to know what you're doing. Because if the indexes are going up or down 10%, that means somebody's stock is probably going up 20 or down 20%. You don't want to get caught in that unless you know what you're doing. Only the professionals are fooling with that. And even they get butchered up most of the time. They won't tell you that, but they do. I'll fool with enough of them to know. I would like to welcome all new subscribers. So hopefully by Wednesday we'll know whether to start taking a chance to the upside. But it'll be a small percentage though. Because only reason why the markets are going up is because the Fed is putting a lot of money into the markets. So I don't think it's going to be enough fuel to keep pushing the markets up long term. So we're not going to take a huge risk on that. We're going to just, for the most part, wait it out. Right now we're in 100% Putnam stable value. We're still doing good there. And I'll keep you posted day to day. I've been working a lot. So I am still trying to figure out how to get everything set up for Patreon. My target for that will be about mid-summer. So tell all your friends that you really like. Start watching the videos, because come June, July, a lot of them will be going to Patreon, especially the ones that tells you where we're moving to, how to move it on a daily basis. If I'm putting out 2 videos a day, I'll have one video in the morning that says, hey, this is what I think the markets are going to do. Sometime later in the day, maybe by noon, 1 o'clock, hey, it'll go to Patreon. The next video will go to Patreon to let you know what we're doing for the next day. So only the people who are on Patreon will know where we're going. Thank you for watching the videos. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Later.